guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sharia Brooks. I'm back with another video. So today's video, we are just chilling at home. I'm trying to get a lot of stuff done. So I'm going through everything, trying to get rid of a lot of stuff. I have a full-blown big bag over there, and yes, you know, donating is the right thing to do, and it's all of this right here, all of this plus some. So I'm too lazy to donate, guys. I just want to throw it in the garbage. And whenever I throw things away, or if I like get rid of stuff when I'm spring cleaning, I literally do the Marie Kondo method. I'm not sure if I'm saying her name right because it's been a while since I've like watched the method, but it's basically like looking at a piece of clothing and to see if, you know, you feel some type of emotion based off of that item or that piece. If it makes you happy and if it brings you joy, keep it. If it doesn't, let it go. I was watching one of my favorite YouTubers, and every time I watch YouTube, I get inspired to film. Although I was gonna film already, your girl's a little lazy right now, so I'm just like, you know what, let me get my butt up and film a video. But here is my closet. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is, woo, honey, it is a disaster. Embarrassing, I know, but it is what it is. We're doing something about it today, okay? So it is about 1:30 p.m. I have not eaten anything today because, you guys, I fast. Like, I probably finish eating before 8 o'clock every day. So lately we've been having dinner like around 6:30, 7, sometimes earlier if I like pre-cook, like meal prep or whatever. So we've been eating a lot earlier, so I've just been in the habit to not eat until about, you know, 1:30, 2 o'clock, sometimes 3. Instagram knows everything first. Snapchat knows everything first. I haven't really been so much on Snapchat these days, but anyways, Instagram knows everything first. So go ahead and follow me at Sharia B Baby. I know I changed my Instagram handle a lot, but I think it's gonna remain Sharia B Baby. I'm not gonna change anymore. So yeah, so I'm on the keto diet, you guys, and I started it last week and I've already lost 5 pounds. And I have been documenting my process, you guys. I've been documenting my process when it comes to my weight loss journey. This is week number 2, and today is, oh, is it Wednesday or Thursday? I think today is Thursday. I finished going through my closet. Ooh, you guys, the lighting over here is popping. Okay. And I know there's like a lot of crap in my closet that I just need to get rid of, be one and done with it. And I feel like I just purged my closet, but it's time to purge again. It's time to purge again, you know, like, I'm about to get this slim body and I don't need all these extra baggy clothes, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna just, and you guys, this is gonna be a part of my Amazon haul, but look at this syrup size compared to this. Look at, that's insane. Isn't that insane, you guys? Like, look at the size difference. Freaking, Bed Bath & Beyond and Amazon, and obviously this was cheaper, so I'm just like, what was I even thinking? And I don't even drink mocha. Like, we bought a 3-set with the mocha in there, so I don't know, I might just give this away or throw it away. But what I put in my coffee, I put collagen peptides in my coffee. I really freaking love collagen peptides, you guys. It just does wonders for my skin, and I'm gonna do like a more in-depth video on this. I haven't eaten anything today, but David is on his way. He's grabbing Chick-fil-A, and I'm gonna have grilled nuggets. Yummy. Look who's multitasking. Got my sweet sweat belt on. I didn't put on my gel. I didn't put on my sweet sweat gel yet because I want to put it on when I'm working out, because that shit was kind of pricey, so I don't want to just waste it, you feel me? But yeah, this is the progress I've made so far in my closet. I don't know if you guys can tell any difference or not, but all of that stuff has been cleaned out for the most part. All my like slippers and stuff and house shoes and sandals are in that tote. All of these clothes down here are like my winter, and these guys are amazing. They are awesome. Literally you could put like a whole house in there pretty much. So I'm gonna just like stuff those clothes in that bag and then grab my vacuum and suck out all of the air so it condenses the bag, and putting away my winter clothing. So
we don't have to do anything. The scent of
okay guys, so I'm gonna actually try on this trench coat jacket. I bought it like a while ago, and I'm gonna just see if I still like it or not.
we don't have to do anything. The scent of
Do we like the trench coat jacket? I know I have something similar like this, but it's not this material. This is like that raincoat material. See? Very similar, right? But this one is more of like a beige, and this is more of like a tan. Cream? Beige? I don't know. But you guys get the gist of it. Yeah, and you guys, I got this one, the one I'm wearing, from a thrift store. Can you believe that? I used to be huge into thrift store shopping, and I will go to a Goodwill here and there just to see what they have, but okay, she stays. Okay guys, I got hot, so I am rocking the sports bra with my waist belts. If you guys don't know, I am on keto like I mentioned earlier in the video, and I've lost 5 pounds already, which is pretty nice. I kind of have high expectations for myself though, for the simple fact, you know, I've been on keto before and I lost weight fast that time, and now I feel like it's taking me a really long time to lose any amount of weight, which sucks, but it is what it is. So I ordered the Sweet Sweat belt, and then I ordered the Sweet Sweat gel. And that came in today from Amazon. I also ordered some more collagen powder, which came in today. And I also wanted to tell you guys that I'm getting off of birth control, okay? I'm not getting off of birth control to try and conceive and have another baby, because Lord knows, like, I wouldn't be ready for another baby for the next 2 or 3 years. But can contribute to your weight gain, which every time I get on birth control, it does. Because I'm a naturally skinny person. Yes, when you get older, you know, your metabolism slows down, but after having my second child by 23, like, my body automatically snaps back, and I just started picking on weight within like the last 1.5 years. So within the last 1.5 years, I got on this new birth control that I've had in the past, which made me gain weight. So it makes me very moody, and it makes me gain weight. So I have an appointment coming up to get this out of my system. And I'm gonna just tell you guys, I'm gonna make a video on it. So if you guys wanna know about like my journey with birth control, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. This is what we're doing today, cleaning. The boys just made it home. So that means my Chick-fil-A is here. Yay. How's your food, honey?
Sorry.
First meal of the day, guys. Okay guys, finally got my denim in here. And then this sheet I have in there is by Shout, and it's the color catcher. Although everything in here is denim, and I'm not really worried about, you know, colors transferring, just in case there's anything left in the washing machine from the previous load, like any other colors that may be left in the wash. I just like to make sure the color catcher is going to catch it so it doesn't stain my other clothing, because that's happened before, which sucked. So okay guys, so as you guys can see, I have already organized and color coordinated my shoes, and then I've done my boots the same. And I'm missing a couple pairs of heels, like how I like to have my stuff, you guys. I'm honestly like honest, Scout's honor. I am like a really organized and neat person for the most part, but when shit is in shambles and I'm like all over the place with like work, school, home, kids, blah blah blah, like my space reflects that. My car reflects that. I just applied the Sweet Sweat to my stomach, and then I have my Sweet Sweat belt underneath here. I just wanted some more like bring me in, suck me in, you know, like really sweat me, like I really want to sweat. So I have on my waist trainer belt on top of my Sweet Sweat belt, because you know these guys here, they really keep you snatched. So I put some on my arms too. I don't know why I did that, but assuming that it'll make my arms sweat too, because I'm gonna throw on my sweater. So I'm gonna throw on my track jacket, and then I'm gonna get some stretches in. Guys for joining me on this video. Let me know what you guys think about it. I know my brows are cray right now, quarantine cray. Okay, but thank you guys for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.